I'm Sophie and today I'm going to interview Mr. Pearson.
Good morning, everyone.
So what is your role in Surf About?
I am the teacher at Our Lady of the Rosary School, and my role today at Surf About is one of the media coordinators. I work in the tent with the people who make the movies and put them on the internet.
How many years have you been working at Surf About?
I've been doing this since the beginning of the Surf About competition, which was in 2005. So I've been doing it for 7 years now. Whoa, yeah, that's right.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher, and I've been teaching at Our Lady of the Rosary now for 29 years. Whoa, again.
How many years have you been working with computers?
I started getting into computers when they first started coming into education, which is probably 20 years now. Whoa! There's some big numbers in there.
What's your favourite thing about Surf About?
I like it that the kids get out and can get to interview me and have lots of fun, and you see lots of smiles and everyone's doing some sort of interesting thing and learning so much.
Thank you for letting us interview.
Thank you very much, Sophie. It was a pleasure.